To begin using Venmo to send money to someone, you first need to download and install the Venmo app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to link a funding source, such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card, to your Venmo account. After setting up your account, find the person you want to send money to by searching for their name, phone number, or email address in the Venmo app. If the person is not already a Venmo user, you can still send them money by selecting the option to send a payment notification to their phone or email. To initiate a payment, tap on the Pay or Request button and enter the amount you want to send. You can also add a note or description to the payment, which can be helpful for keeping track of what the payment is for. Next, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's information, the amount, and any additional notes or descriptions. If everything looks good, confirm the payment by tapping the Pay button. Venmo will then prompt you to select a funding source for the payment. Choose the account or card you want to use and confirm the payment. The recipient will receive a notification that they have been sent money, and the funds will be transferred to their account. It is essential to keep in mind that Venmo transactions are typically processed quickly, but the exact timing may depend on the funding source and the recipient's bank. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using Venmo, such as a small fee for instant transfers to a debit card. To avoid any issues or delays, make sure to double-check the recipient's information and the payment details before confirming the transaction. It is also a good idea to only send money to people you know and trust, and to keep your Venmo account and funding sources up to date and secure. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Venmo to quickly and easily send money to someone, and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility that the service offers.